Hello, my name is Jim, and today I will be teaching you how to drive. Now, I'm going to start with the basics. As you can see, we have two pedals. This one is the gas. It makes you go vroom vroom when you step on it. This one is the brake. It makes you stop when you step on it. Now, when you get to a stoplight, when the light is red, you press this one to stop. But when that light once again turns green, you take your foot off. Now, I want you to take notes because this will be on the test. You take your foot off the brake and put it back on the gas to go vroom vroom. You do not leave it on the brake. You do not keep texting whoever you're texting on your phone. You take off the brake onto the gas. You don't need to take off and burn the tires or anything like that. All you need to do is take your foot off the brake onto the gas. And let me go over the whole process again. Now, you're at a stoplight. You're stopped. Your foot is on the brake. But then the light turns green. You take your foot off the brake, put it on to the accelerator. Again, this will be on the test. Make sure you are taking notes. And that will be all for our lesson today. I hope you learned a lot.